Hi guys, so I wanted to show you what pages I'd like you to work on in your packet today. So there's 3 pages. I'm missing one. I think when I made this copy it didn't, but the first page is page 30 at the bottom. So that page, you just have to read the sentences and decide if you need a period, question mark, or exclamation mark at the end. We practice reading and fixing our sentences today. I think you'll do well with that. But I also want you to do page 31 and page 32. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to do 1 or 2 on each page to show you what I'd like. So on page 31, you have 6 sentences. So the first 3 are a little easier. So if we look at the directions, it says circle the capital letters. So you need to read each of these 3 and circle any capital letters you read. So I'm going to do number 1 to show you. So I have I see a capital T starting our sentence. Kindness, I see a capital K. Challenge, there's a capital C. So far I've circled 3, and I know this is capitalized because it's the name of a challenge. So that's why we have our capital letters. So let's keep going. Is in January, I see a capital J I'm going to circle because that's our name of a month. So we always capitalize the beginning of months every year. Okay. So that's all of the capital letters I found in sentence 1. So you're going to do the same thing for sentence 2 and 3. So our last 3 sentences, it says to underline the letters that should be capitalized. So these ones are a little trickier. You got to stop and think. Okay. Remember, we need to capitalize the beginning of a sentence. So if the beginning of the sentence does not have a capital letter, underline it. And we capitalize our proper nouns. That's the name of our people, places, and things. Okay, so I'm going to do sentence number 4 as an example. Okay, so I see students. I already found it. Look. I'm going to underline the S in students because we are supposed to capitalize the first letter of a sentence. So let's keep going. Students in Mr. Smith's. Oh, that's the name of someone. So remember, if it's the name of something, even if it's more than one word, you capitalize the first letter of each word in the name. So I'm going to capitalize our M in Mr. and the S in Smith. Those should be capitalized because it's a name. So we have Mr. Smith's class made kindness posters. All right. So I found 1, 2, 3 words that should have been capitalized. You're going to do the same thing for 5 and 6. And then the last page, we have capitalization and punctuation. It's page 32. Okay. So let's read our directions. It says circle all the capitalization and punctuation errors in each sentence. So you have to find words that should or shouldn't be capitalized, and our punctuation. That means if it's missing periods, question marks, exclamation marks. Okay, so you have to circle any mistakes you find and then write the corrected sentence below each sentence. And what's nice about this page, it tells you how many mistakes are in each sentence. It's helpful. So look, in 1, there's only 1 mistake. In number 2, there's only 2 mistakes. In 3, there's 3. 4 and 5 have 4 mistakes. So those are kind of like cheat sheets for you. So if you only find 1 mistake in number 2, you know there's 1 more you need to find. Okay, so I'm going to do number 1 as an example. So number 1, kind acts make people feel good. Uh-oh, look. We don't need to capitalize the G in good. That's not the name of anything, and it's not the beginning of a sentence. So I'm going to rewrite my sentence and fix that. So I'm going to write kind acts make people feel, and I'm going to do lowercase g for good. And don't forget your period. So I found the one error or the one mistake and I fixed it and rewrote the sentence. So you're going to try to do that for these. And I know it's a lot. So if you do these and it takes you a long time, it's okay if you're not able to do the other things that I gave for you to do today. Okay, so just do what you can. All right, and good luck.